The legend of Peter. Once upon a time, in the lush, vibrant land of Jamaica, there was a special pantheon of spirits and deities known as the Jamaican Pantheon. Among these divine beings, there was one revered figure named Peter, a humble yet mighty spirit who watched over the island and its people. Peter was not like the thunderous gods of storms or the fierce protectors of mountains. Instead, he was the gentle guardian of the land's harmony, the keeper of the rhythms of nature, the voice of the wind, and the spirit of resilience. His presence was felt in the rustling leaves, the flowing rivers, and the warm Caribbean sun. Legend has it that long ago, when the island was young, the people faced many hardships, droughts, storms, and difficult times. But Peter, hearing their pleas, decided to help in a special way. One night, he appeared to the villagers in a dream, singing a hymn that echoed through the hills and valleys. The hymn was a melody of hope and strength, urging the people to trust in the land and in each other. As they awoke, they found that the drought had broken, the rains had come, and life was renewed. From that day, the hymn of Peter became a sacred song passed down through generations, an ode to resilience, unity, and respect for nature. Every year, during the harvest festival, the people gather in the fields, singing hymns dedicated to Peter. They sing of the wind's whisper, the river's flow, and the sun's warmth, each note a prayer to their guardian spirit. The hymns are not just songs. They are stories woven into melodies, reminding everyone of Peter's role in their lives. One song, in particular, is called "The Heart of the Land." It speaks of Peter's gentle strength, calling on him to protect the island and keep its spirit alive. The lyrics go like this: Peter, guardian of the land, guide us with your gentle hand. Through storms and sun, through joy and pain, may your hymns forever remain. As the story goes, whenever the people sing these hymns, they feel Peter's presence, his calm strength, and unwavering protection. Over time, Peter became more than just a spirit. He became a symbol of hope, resilience, and unity for all Jamaicans. And so, the hymns of the Jamaican Pantheon, especially those dedicated to Peter, continue to echo across the island, reminding everyone of their roots and the enduring spirit of their land. Through song and story, Peter's legacy lives on, a timeless hymn of hope in the heart of Jamaica.